begin with some breaking news from Daytona Beach, Florida, when a child was rushed to Volusia County Hospital from being exposed to ammonia. According to the mother of the child, she was cleaning her kitchen while her son was taking a nap. Not realizing her son was already awake, he crawled out of the bed and went into the kitchen and found the open bottle of ammonia on the floor. Her son then drank some of the ammonia, and when the child began to cry, the mother rushed over to him and immediately called 911. Being exposed to this chemical can cause internal injuries such as corrosive damage to the mouth, throat, and stomach. The child will need to be monitored and given medication. Now, back to you in the studio.
We have reported that the child is in stable condition. According to the City of Daytona Police Department, the mother will be charged with child neglect. Her court date hasn't been released yet. Now that's all we have for you today with breaking news.